amazing. I don't think I've ever been this excited about an upgrade before.
How's it going, everybody? Mike Hallmark from Hellwig Products. We're out at Easter Jeep Safari 2022 here in Moab, Utah. We partnered with some friends of ours, and we're going to install our front and rear sway bar on this JK Jeep to show the changes in its on-road driving, but also how it allows you to still rock crawl and off-road. It's so easy. We're actually installing it right here in the driveway here in Moab. This is something anybody can do. So if you're a DIYer, this is the product for you. If you want a mechanic to install it, not a problem. Super easy. We've got the rear sway bar we're going to start with. We'll do the front sway bar. We're going to show you, and then we're going to get the first drive reaction to show you real live people and how they feel Hellwig products change the driving characteristics of their vehicle. We got a front and rear sway bar mounted on a JK. Super easy install. We did it in the driveway. We're in Moab. We're gonna do some road driving. We're gonna do some dirt driving. We're gonna find out if it works. Let's go.
The main purpose of this vehicle for me is not only daily stuff, but to be able to get out with my family and do the off-roading, because that's a big passion for us. But I'm all over the place, anywhere from school pickup and drop off to on the highway running back and forth between locations. And I feel like one of the biggest questions I get asked, especially as a mom with my kids, is how reliable and safe is this vehicle that you're driving around in. I'm really excited to be able to have the new products on the Jeep to help me with that, and to be able to say with confidence that this is a safe vehicle. I'm able to do everything that I need to do with it and not have to worry about XYZ happening. This is exciting. It'll be interesting to see if we can tell a difference with my tires air down. Okay, so usually in a situation like that, if it's just a little dip in the road, I feel a lot more bounce in my rear end. Okay, that is amazing. Do you feel that, AJ?
It's not good.
No, I get a lot of body roll. Especially, what are my tires at right now? PSI? 10 PSI? Even if I've got my old sway bar, even if I had the sway bar on at 10 PSI, I would still get a lot of body roll. Oh, sorry. No, even engaged, Engaged, if my tires are aired down, I can still feel a lot of body roll, a lot of sway. I can feel that front end is way stiffer. Even the back. I can, just even in the steering, it just feels solid. So I'm really excited. That's a noticeable difference. Usually my front end would respond pretty quickly, and then the back end would feel like it was a few seconds behind and a lot less controllable. It's so much more stable.
It almost feels like it's aired out.
No, it does, and it's just like, it's so stable. That is amazing. I don't think I've ever been this excited about an upgrade before. Like, even just to feel the difference in such a short amount of time is pretty phenomenal.
Especially aired down, even engaged with the old sway bar. You can just kind of feel like, I feel like I can just let go of the steering wheel and go. Super impressive. I don't know, you've always had I always think oh, sway bar, who needs a sway bar? Or is it really going to make that big of a difference, but that's pretty impressive. Definitely you can notice for sure. It's not one of those upgrades that you do and then you're like, why why did I spend the money? I mean, that's literally right off. I mean, driving straight, I can feel a difference. Just no pull. Usually when you do this and you hit this off camber stuff, it wants to pull you one way or the other. I mean, that's like right here, nothing. It's impressive how I'm looking at the dash, so I try to see if it's staying level, and it's even on the dips that are kind of a side hill dip, it doesn't pull on you at all. Super impressive.
Mike just got done installing front and rear Hellwig sway bars, and my mind is blown. To my fellow moms out there, if you're looking for something that maybe you don't feel like such a mom in, but will still give you an edge and still be safe for your kids, this is what you need. I am telling you, it is such a difference in the performance, even in my mom lingo. For example, I don't sit in the back seat very much. I obviously, as a driver, I have a little bit more control and a little bit more stabilization, but I do notice that my kids get thrown around from time to time when we're off-roading or if I have to maneuver quickly, but it is not like that anymore. My mind is blown as far as like the stabilization goes, and I really think that my kids are gonna appreciate being able to have a nap in the back seat without getting whiplash. So we are so grateful to Mike, we're so grateful to Hellwig, and I am so impressed with their product, and I can't tell you what a difference it's gonna make for you.